Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Well, today is Friday, and like I said in yesterday's video, I was going to do an unboxing. Well, I figured, this is still actually Thursday, I just thought I'd go ahead and film Friday's video since all the video clips were already done. I thought, well, why don't I just go ahead and pre-record Friday's video of me talking about it. So here's the hooks that I'm fixing to show you in this video. And I have not got to work with one of the hooks yet. But you will see, they're from Hobby Lobby. They were half price. But I like the way that they have the size of it on the shaft. And as my sister Tanya said, she said, well, while you're working on it and you need to know what hook it was for something, she said, all you gotta do is look down at your hand. And it's true. I was like, you're right. So while I'm sitting there crocheting, guys, I don't know if you're like me, but I crochet kind of weird. When I crochet, I have this hook sticking out like that. Like some people, they talk about how they have it here and it hurts their hand. Maybe I have a small hand is probably what it is. But when I crochet, I don't crochet with that in my, hitting my hand like that. Mine's always out. I crochet out like that. Anyway, but yeah, these were on sale, half price at Hobby Lobby. And I got from a 5 up to, they did have a 15. I did not buy the 15. I left it. I just I don't know if I'd ever use a 15. So the highest I got was a 12. So I just left the 15. Yeah. Now I'm thinking, well, maybe I should have, but I haven't used a 15 yet, so I don't see why I would start, But I don't know. But yeah, so here they are. Let's watch this video clip and see what kind of things that I bought this week. Okay, guys, so I went shopping at Hobby Lobby. It looks like I must have one in there where I'm crocheting. But I've got these hooks. They were half price. So as you can see the prices on them. And I just thought they were so pretty. This was at Hobby Lobby. They have hooks and accessories half price right now. And this is the week that they have their yarn 30% off. And as you guys know, I told you that I'm in love with, I love this cotton. I can't get enough of it. I just want all of it. This one is called Harvest. And I tried to stay away from the blue this time when buying this. These were $3.79 and they were 30% off, 100% cotton. And I believe this is a 4-weight, but it is really thin. So to me, it's a 3-weight. Even though it says 4, I saw that on here somewhere. There it is. It's so tiny. But yeah, it's 100% cotton. There's 153 yards. So I thought I'd go ahead and just buy 3. Maybe I should have bought 4. I don't know. Who knows? It may be another trip to Hobby Lobby, right? There's the color. Here we go. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that. Okay, so I did buy this magazine at Barnes & Noble. It's called Simply Crochet. And it came with this little wooden deal to be able to make pom-poms. Isn't that cool? And so I was like, if anything, I'm buying it for that. But there are some really cool patterns. I'm not going to go through this whole book because it's kind of hard to go through, actually. There's so much advertisements in it. But it has a few things in it. Like this blanket right here is beautiful. I didn't actually find anything that I necessarily want to make right now. But it's still a good book to have. Good inspiration and stuff. Okay. Let's see. I think it was maybe $15.99. And that's the package it came in. That's what it looked like. Yeah, 2-in-1 pom-pom and tassel maker. This other thing I got from Hobby Lobby. It's one of their free patterns that you can do the little pull down from. Puff Stitch Project. And I thought that was pretty neat. So I snagged that. Box from Herrschners. And here's all the beautiful colors that I got. This is all Red Heart. They were on sale for $3.99. So I went ahead and just got all of them at the same time. Yeah, I probably could have got them in the store a little cheaper from Walmart, but they didn't have this color or that color, And I just wanted them all at the same time and be done with it instead of going from store to store. Walmart did not have online all the colors themselves. Yarn Inspirations didn't. And so this is what I went ahead and ordered. Herrschners actually did, and they had them on sale for $3.99. So thank you, Herrschners. You came through for me. This is what I'm planning on making from the Crochet World magazine. It's June 2022. I would love to make this little blanket right here. I just think it's really cool. Let's see. The colors that I got, like I said, these are Red Heart Super Saver. They should all be the same amount of yardage. So I shouldn't have to go through that one again. Okay, this color is Orchid. They are a medium 4-weight yarn. I will find the yardage in just a second. Okay, there it is. 364 yards, and it's a medium 4-weight yarn. So that's Orchid. We have medium purple. Pale plum. Aruba Sea. I went all the way around that one, didn't I? Delft Blue. Light Gray. We have Pool. There it is. Pool. We have Turca. That one was really hard to find. Soft White. And so is that Delft Blue. Light Periwinkle. Light Blue. Last but not least, Country Blue. But yeah, that's all the colors that's going to be in this blanket. So I'm really looking forward to making this. I'm pretty excited about it. They do have a turtle in there that I would like to use the Ombre Super Saver and make a little turtle to kind of go with this. And I don't even have a beach scene area anywhere to use that. I rarely go to the beach, but I'm just very attracted to that blanket, to that style. So, and to the turtle pillow. Let me show you the turtle pillow. I might as well show that while I'm out here. There's the blanket. Let's see where the turtle pillow is. Okay, it's page 44. There we go. Isn't that just adorable? There are no eyes or anything on it, so I'm probably going to add some eyes to it. But I just think it's so cute. Yeah. And I'm not going to change colors like they did. Like I said, I plan on just using that ombre yarn and letting it change its own color. Or that's my plan. Okay, guys, that's all I have for the yarn haul here for the moment. Guys, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Okay, so for today, it says sensitivity. Rejoice with those who rejoice, weep with those who weep. That's Romans 12:15. God of love, you are so multifaceted. Your light shines for all to see, and it meets every one of us right where we are. Thank you for your love that crosses every boundary. Nothing can keep us from it, Lord. I have known your comfort in my time of need. I have known your incredible joy in times of celebration. You are not deaf to the various situations we find ourselves in. As you meet each one of us in realities, let me be the same with empathy as my covering. Help me be sensitive to the people around me, sharing in their joys and in their heartbreak. You set us in families on purpose, Lord, that we would carry each other's burdens. A shared load is not as heavy as lugged it alone. I will not be afraid to relate to others. My peace cannot be stolen by recognizing a friend's anguish. Lord of compassion, may I reflect you in how I love and relate to everyone in my life. Feel me and don't stop meeting me in the realities of my life. What does it cost you to relate to others without trying to fix them? That is very nice, something to think about, guys. All right, I hope that has helped you. Yeah, don't forget, go check out Hobby Lobby while they have their whatever crochet hooks on sale, half price, and they have a few other accessories, and their yarn is 30% off this week. So go check that out. Just remember, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.